Hey, a viewer suggested that I paint the chicken wire black and it disappears almost. Which, yeah, no, you're absolutely right. Thanks for the tip. You can see them a lot better and it doesn't stand out. Just did a pond cleaning and a filter change, and we added a waterfall over there. Anytime we do something different, the fish want to go check it out. They're so curious. And it cracks me up if I move a pump or a filter box. They got to go and inspect it. But there we go. Nice spring cleaning day and a feeding afterwards. Thanks for watching.